Okay, going live today on everything. Hey guys, just want to drop in for a couple of minutes to let you know what's going down tonight. We got fire going down tonight. So we've been working with this eliminated property tax lawsuit package now for, I don't know, a year and a half or so. For the first time, we had an attorney respond to it. Thanks to Ryan and our private foreclosure rescue Facebook page, he's provided me with the documents that the attorney used to respond to his eliminated property tax lawsuit package. And we are going to dissect the attorney's response starting tonight. Now, the attorney sent him several documents, so we're not going to get it all done tonight. But we're going to start with their motion to dismiss his claim that they're collecting illegal taxes. And I'm going to do a screen share and open it. And I already checked with him to make sure it's okay. And he said it's fine to show you guys whatever I need to show so we can learn what we need to do to keep kicking some butt. Now, he's in a pretty good position right now. The lawsuit package that I put together, the main goal is to force them to comply without having to file it in court. But I think his situation was a little more dire and they were ready to push him over the edge of the cliff, so he didn't have time to file a notice of claim and do all of that stuff. But he did a great job doing his homework because he filed the notice of claim along with his lawsuit. So they can't say he didn't file the notice of claim because they picked the sorriest excuses. And you'll see tonight, they picked the sorriest excuses to try to get out of being held accountable for what they're doing. And we're going to pick we're going to pick the documents apart that I think we need to be looking at. There's a couple in there that are full of crap, but I'm going to show you what they are. So you can see everything because I'm really excited. This is like the first time they responded. Now, with that said, they also requested more time because they weren't ready. The attorney said she just got assigned the case and all this stuff, which to me don't make no sense because they did respond and they were already going after Ryan's property. So they should have had everything they needed if they were already going after his property to respond to his attack on them for unlawful property taxes. So this is going to get interesting. And tonight I'm going to show you guys how that works. And we're going to talk a little bit about how we respond to them, to what they sent. And we're going to talk about the changes that we're going to make to the eliminated property tax lawsuit package. Now, remember, I told you guys what we do here is we use real-time feedback from our members that are all across the United States of America. I mean, all the way from California to New York. And we use that feedback to adjust what we need to adjust to make sure that when you take my stuff to the hole, it's fire. So we're going to make a few changes in it. One of the things we're going to do too is we're going to address their claim that we didn't properly state a claim for relief. Now, I posted that video in my YouTube channel for all of you. We should not have to do that because in my documents, you got enough evidence that you're throwing on the table to get around that. But you know how they are. They want to whine about the sorriest little thing because they can't address the issues. So we're just going to close the door on their ass so they can't complain about that either. So that's what we're going to go with tonight. I'm also going to talk about the rules. The rules. There's different sets of rules for being in court. And you need to understand those different sets of rules. You need to understand which set of rules that you need to be following, which set of rules they want you to follow and why. And when you understand that, you'll be in a better position when you go to court to file your documents and the clerk is giving you a bunch of crap. Okay, you'll know exactly what you need to say to them. We're going to go over that tonight too. That's going to be, this is Saturday the 30th, January 30th, 2021. I'm kind of throw the dates in there because people see the stuff later on. I think it's going to be tonight. And if it's not the 30th, 2021, it's not going to be tonight. So just trying to help those people out so they can keep up. So it's going to be after 9 tonight sometime. So you guys know how I roll. I like to have it on kind of late. You guys sit down with a glass of wine, water, or whatever it is that you sip on, and get at your notepad out. Oh, also, I may have a special tonight on one of these documents. I don't know which one. You guys are going to have to check it out and figure out what that special is going to be and which document is going to be on special. Another thing that we're doing that's new is we're putting together a demand to strike the attorney's notice of appearance and the documents that the attorney filed in the case, because the notice of appearance, if the notice of appearance is gone, so are the documents. The notice of appearance attorneys have to file because there are a foreign agent. And the problem with that is a foreign agent must file their case in federal court. State court does not have jurisdiction to listen to a case from a party from another country, because that's what a foreign agent is considered another country. And that is exactly why they have to file the notice of appearance. So we're going to move this. I'm going to put together a motion to strike their notice of appearance, and I'm going to offer it really cheap. I'm thinking $2 million. Okay, that's not cheap, is it? Okay, I'm thinking it's going to be $50. Now, I always try to start out with just one, but it always turns into 2 or 3. But I'm still going to have it probably for $50. I want people to be able to use it. This would be an opportunity for you for $50 to take a shot at dismissing your foreclosure. And if they don't dismiss it, now you can use the fact that they ignored the law to sue them and kind of change the tables and do all of that, because you're never going to go to court and have the judge rule in your favor and say you win and all that crap. It ain't never going to happen. We need to make them stand down, go sit the hell down and leave you alone. And that's what we're going to do when you sign up in my program. So I will see you guys tonight after 9 o'clock, and don't be late.